My name is Ravi Chandran. I am the Managing Director of Dynamic Products India Private Limited. We are major supplying for Samsung. We manufacturing washing machine drums, plastic components, and we have around 46 injection molding machines, and we have stamping machines. Around 500 employees are working in our company. We have around 990 kilowatt power in our factory. 6 to 7% of the turnover has been electricity bill. So we think so that is higher side in our factory. So we checked about how to reduce the power consumption. We look out for the solar energy. We have such lot of companies. In that we found Luminous Solar Energy. We have put it around 820 kilowatt solar system. In that now we are saving around 30% of the power in our company. We are using diesel consumption per hour. We use around 100 liters. When we put it about solar, we are using only 35 to 40 liters of diesel per hour. After installation of the Luminous Solar Energy, we found the around 10 to 20% room temperature has been reduced in our factory because of the solar installation in the rooftop. We have saved monthly around 8 to 9 lakhs. It is very big helpful for our business. We are really happy that we have installed the solar. We have saved a lump sum of money in our business. 60-70% we are getting consumption of solar. We are reduce our genset. So we are also happy of that cost savings in power cut also. They given the good guidance for us how to install, how to save the energy. We are happy with Luminous that they are given a on schedule and on time delivery. Putting solar in factory top, we have done a very big success, and we really thank to Luminous teams. I am really proud to be a part of Luminous family.